So today we're going to be working on this beautiful 4Runner here. Man, they've got a lot of upgrades on this thing. This is a sharp ride. Well, anyway, the dent, a trailer came loose and really got it good. I mean, sharp dent. It's got a little bitty scratch all the way through right here and right there. But we're going to just do a little touch up if necessary on it. But I tell you what, this is going to be a challenging dent. And it's actually got a little bit right up here and right here also. So anyway, that's what we're dealing with today. And we're actually down here at the Cleveland location. So at the full-time store.
Are y'all ready for this?
Alright, we got this hatch taken apart to where I can gain some access. As you can see through here where I took the latch out, it's going to get me right into this dent this direction. I'm also going to be able to get where the grab handle was, and we'll be able to get in through here. So I'll be able to get an access like from a few different angles. So this ought to be able to be repaired. As you see, there's some sound deadener in the way that really makes it more interesting. So, all right, we're going to get this guy fixed here in a little bit. We pushed on this about 30 minutes here, and now we've got a lot of the big part of the dent up. As you can see, there's still a lot of work to do to it, but right here is the crucial part where the trailer hitch went in. You can see it is very deep, and it's got this end blowed out right here. So now we're going to have to knock this in a little bit as we bring this up. Put a lot of heat on it because it's already got slightly damaged paint with a little scratch in it, which makes it want to crack if it's through the clear. So right through here is the same way, but we're going to try to get it up there without getting it to crack. And if it was to, we talked with a customer and they said it'd be okay to seal it with a little bit of clear, but we're hoping it don't crack. So all right, well, start pushing again. Well, we got this dent shrunk down a lot, but show you what can always be the problem. Where that trailer hitch went right in. Just look how deep that is and sharp. Well, what we gotta do is we gotta blend these edges down. Around here, we gotta soften this dent up. Make it bigger again, and then push again, tap down, push, tap it down, trying to shrink it many times, and then we can go back and try to perfect this. But I'm gaining more and more confidence that this isn't going to split wide open right here. But that's the critical part of this liftgate repair to make it come out the best that it can. So, well, we'll get ready to turn the heat gun back on this thing. That's very important to keep a lot of heat on it. So, gotta keep it very warm. So. Well, look at this. It doesn't look like you could ever make this thing look good with all the distortion of the metal. But that's where you've got to just keep on hammering, tapping, pushing, whatever it takes, shrinking the metal. I mean, you just got to keep working with it. And that's where a lot of people give up, is they think they can't fix it. And it does get confusing, honestly, when you are at this state with these dents, because you're like, oh my gosh, what do I do next? So anyway, we're just gonna go back to work. Well, this is way, way closer than it's been. You see all the little stuff we've got to get out of here, but a big part of the dent's out, so now we're down to finishing it up. More pushing, hammering, keep on going. Well, just about done with this bigger dent here. You can see a little bit of texture in it, and we got just a little bit where that hitch jabbed into it real good. You can see right there, but it's minor. Not bad for as deep as it was. It didn't crack coming up, so we achieved that, and that is a definite thing that I was just hoping didn't happen. So there's where we're at now. Like I said, not 100% perfect, but looks really, really good. So I believe the customer will be happy. Now we're going to get on to fixing this one and this one here. Here's the finished product. We're done with it. It come out looking good. Got this dent out up here. Got the dent out on this area here too. Come out good. So across through there, come out looking pretty good. So happy with the repair. Yeah, right. See a little bit down here at the very bottom where that trailer hitch was. It's just a little bit, and the divot still left in it, but not too terrible bad for as deep as it was. So not 100% perfect, but it came out looking pretty good. And it sure took a while to get it done, because now it is dark outside. Started at 8:30 in the morning, was a long time repair.
Cult dent tamers for all your door dings, large dents, hail damage in the East Tennessee area.